Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I wanted to visit a technique that we did in the past a few times. The technique of crackling, to have some crackling in our acrylic. And I thought it was the best way to try it with a recycling. A painting, like always, that I don't like, and I'm going to do something over it, but I thought it was the best painting to do some kind of a space theme. So I think it's going to be nice. I think we're going to do the planets with the glue over it. I think it's going to be nice. It's going to give a real life effect. So there's only one way to find out, is to try it. So yes, like Whisky is probably saying, he's got enough of it. So better let's go and try it now. Let's go and try it. guys, I would like to tell you what I think about it, but as I'm speaking to you, it's not dry yet. So we're gonna have to wait till it's dry so I can put a comment on it. But as usual, as always, should I say, you see it once it's dry. I hope it did some crackling, because that's what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to happen. It was to make some crackling. So I think it's going to be strange. I think it's going to be, either way, I think it's going to be nice. It's a nice way to recycle a painting which is a bit dark, on the darker colors. So that way, I think it gives more an aspect, well, in this case, more an aspect of space. So I hope it's gonna do it. I hope it's gonna do the trick with the crackling, because the crackling is gonna give the aspect, well, I hope so, of more of a planet in space. So we'll see what happens, or stars, or what have you not. So guys, like always, don't forget to subscribe. Not only on this channel, but always on, not always, but also on Instagram and Facebook. It's always nice to share on a daily basis. So I hope you enjoy. I hope it's going to give you an idea, because it's just an idea, because you can go at it any which way. You can do some line and do some abstract with it, but I think it's a nice way, either way, to recycle a painting. So guys, I hope you enjoy, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.